are you the cook in the house or is Kunal the cook?
Can I say yes? Does somebody?
It's okay.
Do people write in? I don't know. I feel like, cooking is huge.
It's expected to be.
No,
right?
it's a life skill.
Yeah.
I'm saying not as a woman to impress your husband or anything, but just to be able to survive.
Yeah.
You must be able to cook, and I can't.
Huh.
I can probably make dal chawal. I know the theory. I think it's...
But your brother does cook, right?
He cooks very well. Kunal cooks very well.
Huh.
We've sort of turned the gender stereotype on the head.
That's
I never
nice.
felt... I'm not a foodie also.
Huh. I know Kunal said that also, that he's the one who loves.
And it's his love language.
Huh.
He has to, he's one of those people who has to not just eat, but he has to feed.
But that's also very Kashmiri.
Is it?
Yeah, to have that. And it's very heavy food. That
it
is very rich.
Yes. And they
Kashmiri.
love cooking. And my mother-in-law also is very good at cooking. Kunal is very good.
And they cook copious amounts.
They
Kashmiri
wake up at
food
4:30 in the morning. She
Yeah.
will wake up at 4:30 in the morning and she will cook 8 dishes
Yeah.
all by herself.
Huh.
And then
even if there are 3 people eating,
Yeah.
then they cook.
and then come and serve you, so the rice comes pre-served,
Yeah.
like a big mound. And then I'm like, this is very carb heavy, and I'm trying to I'm having protein and vegetables this week, and there'll be a big mound of white rice.
Yeah.
And I was like, I haven't had white rice in a very long time. And there'll be 3 dum alus.
Yeah.
So then Kunal has to sit next to me, so that I slip him
Slip him some of the
2 dum alus.
Yeah.
And he's like, I can't eat 6 dum alus.
Your workout thing that you do, I mean, it's so... Let me tell you, the first time I saw you, I told this to Kunal. You were probably in school then. Your mom used to come to India Habitat Center.
Yeah, to the gym.
To the gym. And
I used to come
go
with her.
there.
Yes.
And I've seen you there. And I remember the first time you came there was when I was on the treadmill. That time she brought you in and she was showing you the thing. And you looked so disinterested.
Really? But I was playing sports.
Yeah. You were doing
this
that.
Gym still is boring.
And I just felt that, oh my God, like she's so phenomenally fit. And now she's brought this daughter also. And I remember Saif also came to India Habitat Center.
I used to go everywhere with my mother. I used to love spending time with her. I mean, I still do. But I was that child who she used to go to KP uncle's house. And I used to take my book and go there. A friend of hers.
Acha, okay.
And she would go there at 7 o'clock every evening. And I would go take my book and hang out with her.
Okay.
I enjoyed spending time with my parents.
So you tell me about your workout routine. Both of you work out hell of a lot. You
And
could,
Kunal.
and the baby too.
She does gymnastics.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's very
So
good.
when you used to do the exercise, I remember her in between.
But
Those
she can
were
do
such-
things that, I mean, when you're 7,
Very supple.
you're very supple.
Yeah.
So she does a lot more than I do. But I enjoy working out. I've always enjoyed playing sports growing up. And then, of course, now it's very hard to find people to play sports with. And you need to have a committed group of friends who will turn up at the right time, and then to find a court availability, etc., etc. I'm a part of, I think, 7 badminton groups on WhatsApp. And
What do you mean?
Like, I have 7 groups saying badminton.
Where people say in Mumbai there are no courts, there are no places, outdoor
There's courts.
places.
There's courts.
Yeah?
There's indoor courts for badminton. You can't play outdoor. But everywhere, there's about 7 places, 8 places easily that I've played in Mumbai. It's just finding people to have the time to play can be challenging, that coincide with your time. So therefore, and also I understand now as a woman in your mid-40s, strength training is very important. Cardio is not so important.
Okay.
So muscle building, strength training, which is why I started. In the last 2-3 years, I've been doing a lot of strength training.
Okay, so different kinds of...
Different kinds. Like you have to do certain things like deadlifts and, they're just things that are tough. And, you feel like, oh, no, I have to go to the gym. But once you get there, and if you have a good trainer, which I do, who motivates you, and then you get the incentive of a husband who's 5 years younger than you, who pushes you a little bit without even having to push you, then all these things kind of come together and you say, okay, I'll go.
He travels quite a bit on his own, right? He does his motorbike tours and all that.
Yes,
you don't
he
do
does.
that.
I
Can't, I mean...
No, I do. I mean, I don't enjoy biking. And these are things that I think he enjoys doing for himself. But I do enjoy traveling.
Okay.
And I do travel as well.
But it's like, it's not the... biking you can't do, I think, with a spouse when you have a kid. Because there are risks involved.
Yes.
And it is a tough thing. I mean, that's what I tell
My
friends
parents
and
would not
family.
take flights together. And then when they took a flight together, they would just come to us and say goodbye. And as young children, we were like, what's happening?
Yeah.
But, we all
No, but
when we
it's a
leave
smart
together.
thing to do.
Yes. When we all, even now, like if Kunal and I have to go somewhere together,
Though road travel is more dangerous.
exactly. Crossing the road can be equally dangerous.
Yeah.
And they say air travel is very safe. But, so yes, of course. And anyway, Kunal doesn't like, it's called pillion when you sit at the back. He doesn't enjoy that.
Yeah.
He says, I can take certain risks when it's just me. But if I have you or Anaya with me, then I won't be able to do it.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie।